I'm helping Atik here, Alexis here, build a hole for the stand. We worked very hard last night to build that thing over there for them. Foto ko akong pa-upload ng i-ino ng bago. Akong kita ka itong ni-perfect ni kuha ko video ko ka ng
bayad ni Mal. Kulang gamay.
Kulang pa gamay.
Abutangan ng bato.
Dahil nagkotag itong gagmay ba? Ay, bato. Kuha nas kwarto na ko na yun. Kuha.
Okay, stop it, babe.
Okay.
Okay. I should stay.
Okay.
Memories. Daddy! Daddy, you gonna take pictures, okay? I need pictures for you. So that is the finished product. I'm talking about it being finished. Wow. So the brides are going to be, the entourage and brides are going to come through here. Little walking all the way over there to there. So they are setting it up now. It is hot. These guys work hard, man.
Wala akong kasama. Bulak ka Marvel. Hello, babe. Yagit ka.
Ruby is getting white flowers, petals.
Dayon.
Petals.
Oh.
To put a way over there, similar to that, leading into the stage, quote unquote. So they're setting up more of the seats. So I'm about to eat breakfast, but as you can see the table full of fruits. I'm about to get some bud, extra chocolate. Where's the bud? Nawong dyan. So I haven't changed that. This is bud made out of sweet rice. The Ruby's family has worked hard all night to prepare all these things for today's celebration. I'm trying my best to help as much as I can. I'm gonna enjoy this bud.
Drinking all day.
Yeah, right.
Oh, Ruby's family is working hard for this all night. And me, I'm helping. I'm going without helping. You're drinking. You didn't even know. Nag-pump siya at tuwan. Nag-pump siya at tuwan. Nakatulog siya. Di na mabuto. Mabuto na ako. Gidulog man.
Gago sa dito. Dugay kayo ng man na yan. Tulog yan.
Hindi man ko hubog, kapoy naman ko. Yung sunod man kong kilino.
Hey, look at me.
It's fine, look at me, I look dirty. What's the difference between tablea Philippines, tablea America? Which tastes good, better?
This one is like original
This tastes good.
beans.
It was amazing. So, I am done, I'm dressed. So, ang video ko na po. They're done with the setup. As you can see. Beautiful. This setup holds about 300 people. We'll probably be expecting more. She's like my little sister. She's my little sister. That's why, you know, we try our best. So we're about to head out. We're taking the last pictorials. Boy Floyd, no makeup down. Hi Floyd.
Sumanang manilang pagagag sa mga anak, ihatag sa Diyos na ninyo, aron mahimong mga mayong Kristiyanos. Sanglit po mo magpinyo, magulitay ka po sa inyong pagkakas. Inyo karon ay pahayag ay nagkuya tumagan sa Diyos na sa iyang simbahan. Nos Marie, kini si Alexis Pinagarating. Dawatan pa nimo sa iyong bana sumala sa landas ng kalat sa Iglesia. Ulit ka ba ay ang asawa? Dawatan pa siya ay ang bana. Alexis, kini si Nos Marie, kini ang karating. Dawatan pa nimo siya ay ang asawa sumala sa landas sa kabilahan sa Iglesia.
We just had a brownout. Literally had a brown in the middle of the wedding. So the lights turned back on. Thank God.
Salamat, Mr. and Mrs. Estela sa pag
We're about to commence. We did commence the wedding. Everyone is starting to pack up, and everyone's about to eat. I'm gonna go to my table.